Welcome to this session on intranets and extranets as part of my discussion of an introduction to electronic business. Now, at the end of this session, I expect you to understand what the differences are between intranets and extranets, and then be able to distinguish between the two, of course. Okay, so let's start by saying what the internet is as first before we get to intranets and extranets. Now, the internet is a public and global communication network that provides direct connectivity to anyone via a local area network and an internet service provider. So access to internet is not restricted to anyone. This lack of control may result in an information overload, but due to its vast scope and openness, the information is difficult to locate. So there's no centralized control of the internet and the information contained therein. So an intranet, on the other hand, is a corporate local area network or wide area network that is secured beyond a company's firewalls and uses internet technologies. Now, all the intranets are developed using the same TCP/IP protocol as the internet. They operate as private networks with limited access. So only employees who are issued password or access codes are able to use them. So intranets are limited to information pertinent to the company and contain exclusive and often proprietary and sensitive information. Now, firewalls protect intranets from unauthorized outside sources. So extranets, on the other hand, imply an extended intranet. So they also use the same TCP/IP protocol to link intranets to different locations. So extranet transmissions are conducted over the internet to save money, but it offers no privacy or transmission security. So by creating funnels of secure data flows using cryptography and authorized algorithms called VPNs, the security can be improved. So extranets provide secure connectivity between a corporation's intranets and intranets of its business partners, material suppliers, financial services, and customers. So what's a firewall, or what characterizes the firewall? Is like a defense, and it's software and hardware that allows only those external users with specific characteristics, approved ab initio, to access a protected network. So it provides potential customers with secured account, credit card, and loan information, and that is in the case of financial services provider and its customers. And it's usually located at a gateway point and controls traffic between internal and external networks. So let me now discuss generic functions of an intranet. Now, intranets can help to host corporate, departmental, or individual web pages. Can also help to host search engines and directories, document distribution workflow, assist in even telephony, and then you can integrate it with your e-commerce functions as well. So intranet application also help with extended knowledge sharing, enhanced group decision and business process management, the creation of virtual organizations, and even software distribution and project management. So the components of an intranet, of an extranet, include the intranets, a web server, firewalls, maybe an ISP, tunneling technology, interface software, and then business applications. So in configuring intranets, you can implement by using a direct lease line with full control via linking all intranets, or a secure line can be created across the internet, which can be used by the corporation as a virtually private network or a VPN. So a VPN is a secure network on the internet using the tunneling schemes. Now, the major objective of a VPN is to use the internet as an inexpensive wide area network backbone. Now, when two sites are connected across a VPN, each must have a VPN-capable router, firewall, or VPN access device installed. When a VPN is used to link mobile clients with internet dial-up connection, the laptops will be equipped with VPN client software equipped with the addresses and associated encryption keys for corporate host sites. So Extranet products and services could include the development tools, hosting and network connectivity, Extranet service, and virtual private networks. And Extranet applications can help to improve internal communications, improve business partnership channels, enhance effective marketing, sales, and customer support, and also achieve the enhancement of collaborative activities. So the benefits of Extranet applications also include just-in-time information delivery, reduction of information overload, productive collaboration between work groups, and then even training on demand. Also faster time to market, lower design and production cost, improved client relationships, and new business opportunities. Other cost reduction benefits include reduced errors, improved comparison shopping, reduced administrative and operational costs, and then sometimes the elimination of paper publishing costs, and then reduced travel and meeting expenses. From an information delivery standpoint, some of the benefits of Extranets also include standard delivery systems, leveraging of legacy systems, ease of implementation, elimination of paper publishing and mailing costs, and then low-cost publishing. So intranets are useful, Extranets are also useful. The combination of those two applications can really deliver technological and business advantages to any firm, whether they are operating in the business or the public sectors.